Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new episode of Franco Cooks. My name is Franco Noriega and I'm a model, chef, and entrepreneur and the owner of the restaurant Baby Brasa in New York City.
Baby Brasa. Until next time.
So we're making the too much chocolate cake. It's my go-to recipe whenever I want to impress somebody. I normally make a chocolate cake when I'm in this romantic scene in a way. I just feel like, when there's a cake and you walk into someone's apartment and there's a chocolate cake, there's this feeling of comfort and lust and all the things that chocolate create. I think there's nothing like sharing a nice piece of chocolate cake. I mean, as soon as you put it in the fork, it is, chunky and moist and delicious. Welcome to a new episode of Franco Cooks. My name is Franco Noriega. I'm a model, chef, and entrepreneur, and I have a restaurant in New York City called Baby Brasa. And today we'll make my favorite recipe, and that is a chocolate cake made out of protein that's gonna satisfy you all the way. For this recipe, we're gonna start with the wet ingredients. We have a cup of oil, half a cup of sour cream. This is gonna add so much moisture to the cake. It's gonna make it really, really nice. Then we have just a tiny bit of baking powder. We have half a cup of warm water and 4 eggs. Four eggs, just like that. So we're gonna beat this at a low speed. And once it's incorporated, we'll add the dry ingredients. So once this is fully mixed, you can add your favorite sweetener. In my case, I like vanilla. You can also add almond extract, whatever extract you're craving for. I love vanilla with chocolate. It works really, really nice. Perfect. Now we're gonna add 2.5 cups of protein powder. You can use your favorite protein powder for this mix. I like to use a very chocolatey one. It's a double rich chocolate powder. And we're gonna add half a cup of flour. And on top of this, 1 cup of chocolate chips. Perfect. We're gonna mix this. Something to keep in mind is not to over mix, as we want to make sure that we get some type of crumbleness in this cake. So don't over mix is a great tip. I think we're set here. It tastes like protein, but once we put it in the oven, the protein flavor will come out. It wouldn't be as protein as you think. We're gonna put it in a mold. Just like that. This is a great recipe to do if you are craving sweets, but also on a diet and you want to make sure that you get your protein in and, of course, satisfy your cravings. You'll be able to eat as much chocolate cake as you want, because in reality, you will be eating protein. So we're gonna bake this for 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your mold size, and we'll enjoy once it's out of the oven. So we're ready to take the cake out of the oven. It's been 50 minutes. Wow. We're gonna let it cool for 30 minutes. So we're ready to try our too much protein chocolate cake. Let's see how this cake turned out. It's still pretty warm, but you can see how fluffy this cake looks already. Let's take it out. Wow. And you can see how moist it is. And that's a lot of the sour cream that goes into this cake. It makes it so much fluffy and moist and delicious. I'm gonna try a piece. It's so good. And the best part of this is it's guilt-free. You can eat as much as you want because each of these slices has around 10 grams of protein. So there you go, baby. Stuff your face and enjoy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you the next time for my next video, and make sure you check out franconoriega.com for updates. Sending you a big kiss. Until next time.